Hi everyone, and welcome to Paper Pumpkin Week here on Creative Chelsey. Today I'm sharing with you my sixth and last alternative card using the December 2024 Paper Pumpkin kit called Notes from the Heart. This kit creates a total of 9 cards, 3 in 3 different designs, along with coordinating envelopes. If you'd like to watch me unbox the kit and create these cards or see any of my other alternative projects, you can click on the playlist in the top right corner. For today's card, I pulled together some of the leftover supplies I had after making the previous 5 cards and came up with one of my favorites. For this card, I'm sharing another great way to manipulate the Vellum Leaf Die Cut, and it gives it this beautiful look and texture to the card. Don't forget that all of my Paper Pumpkin subscribers receive amazing perks from me. When you get the kit each month, I mail you my very own card kit and email a PDF with even more alternative ideas. If you would also like to receive this extra perk, sign up for Paper Pumpkin using the link below and make sure to select me as your demonstrator. Make sure to also like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to begin this technique, you're going to need some Versamark ink and a sponge dauber or something else that you can use to apply the Versamark ink. You could also use like one of those craft brushes that have, you know, that big black sponge at the end. That would also work. You're going to ink up your sponge dauber with some of that Versamark ink, and then you're just going to sponge it all over your vellum. Don't need to worry about getting it all over. You're just kind of randomly sponging it, okay? So just a couple spots here or there. Okay. You can always add more as well once you see where the embossing powder will stick. So you're going to take some gold embossing powder, and I'm going to use my tweezers to kind of hold things together. And you're going to add some gold embossing powder to your vellum leaves, and it's going to stick to wherever you have added the Versamark. Now it looks like I kind of went a little crazy. So if you're like, that's too much, which I'm kind of saying it is, so I've got this brush here and I'm just going to brush off some of it, because it doesn't need to be all over. It's kind of just a hint of embossing powder. So I like that a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and put some down there. There. Let's get a little off here and there. Okay, so once you have it where you want it, go ahead and tap off the excess. I'm going to just move my tweezers to somewhere else so that I can make that not so hard, a little bit looser, a little more organic looking. There we go. So then I'm going to heat this up with my heat tool. All right, so once it's all heated up, you can see how beautiful and shiny it gets. And it's just like the perfect little touch to this vellum leaf. Next, we're going to take one of the envelope stickers. This is the scallop rectangle that originally goes onto the envelopes. I'm going to take my Blackberry Bliss marker and do some splattering just over it. It can be dark or light. There we go. And then I'm going to add that to a piece of Blackberry Bliss cardstock right in the center. This cardstock is, let me think, I think it is 3 1/4 by 4 1/2. Let me measure really quick. Yes, 3 1/4 by 4 1/2. And we are going to add behind it a piece of gold foil that is just 1/8 of an inch bigger, so that we can get 1/16 of an inch border. So it is 3 3/8 by 4 5/8. Okay, and so you're just going to add that right to the back to create this beautiful gold edge or border all the way around. Okay, just like that. So pretty. Let's go ahead and pop this up onto our Blackberry Bliss Cardbase with dimensionals. So I've got dimensionals on there. That goes right in the center. I love the monochromatic feeling here of that rich purple color with the gold. It's so pretty. Now we're going to add our vellum leaf, and because we have embossed it, there are some areas that are opaque, and we can tuck a little dimensional behind those areas. So just kind of look for where maybe you can hide some adhesive. So once you remove the paper backing, you can go ahead and lay that in the center. Just like that. Isn't that so pretty? Then we do have one of the rectangle labels that are still left over. And I'm going to stamp my greeting in Blackberry Bliss. I'm going to use Lots of Love. We could use any of the greetings from the kit. They all would be beautiful with this card. So let's just stamp that right in the center. And then that gets popped up with dimensionals as well. Go ahead and place that so it's even on the card near the bottom. And then you can add some of the rhinestones from the kit. I just added 3. Let's do the same. So a large one and a small one in the corner. And then let's do another small one up here. And your card's all done. I just love how quick and easy this is. You can make this card with any leftover piece, some vellum die cut, and it's just really easy to replicate over and over and over with really any supplies that you have and in any color combination. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this fun card. If you are interested in getting written instructions or seeing close-up images on how to create this card, you can visit my blog, creativechelsey.com. If you would like to subscribe to get your own paper pumpkin kit, you can do so using the link in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.